kedai Tadi kedai ke badai tu? Pasal tak boleh sangkut. Mana tadi? This is one of the sides. You take a small side. So we go. Okay, too big. Now 1.7 acres. Okay lah.
Tadi saya kata pocket land kan untuk strata.
It's quite flat. It's land, but you know where the drainage is. It's less important for high rise. So by right you should send to grader, but we goes to fast rise. This is kecil sangat because I got the big setbacks. So kita buat minimum. Empat lima. Grade interval 8.2, 8.2 should be okay. So pergi ke tower. Ini kita kena center lah sini lah. Set the anchor should be dekat tengah-tengah. It should be in the center, so I put it there. Private means, you see, private means is the house. That's the concept, it's the house where it is only for you, right? But you also have a part which I call semi-private. Semi-private is the sort, the piece, the bits of the building which you have to share with other people. So that semi-private is includes the corridor, includes the airwell, and also includes one of the rooms. Okay, it also includes one of the rooms. I have to change the lid core position. Okay, the next one. Okay, so semi is over here, and this is over here. Okay, that sets the tower with that shape. Then the podium. Okay, if this is the core, then I cannot have any roads at the core. So I will just put it as parking. Then opposite sides of the core we put in the roads. Okay, here we have like dead ends, so that you can access to the units that you have there. So here you know that you cannot use these spaces here, car park, because you're already using that area. So I remove this part. Stairs would be this corner, maybe this corner. What else do we need? That's all there. Here we go since there is parking, we have to remove this one. Because that we cannot, oh sorry, that means we actually got parking there. Because we need to have a driveway here. So what else we need? We need to have the ramps, right? So we put the ramp. Where's the ramp? Yeah, here, ramp. You already got. We need about 4 lah. 4, 1, 2, 3. We need 3, and then there's one bit for you to turn around. Then there's one over here. So same here. We got ramp, 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 and the road. Sorry, that's not road. Ramp, 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 and ramp, and this road. Okay, this one is so this is the ramp. This is the ramp. So that's just now when I was in tower, I set the plot ratio to be 4, right? So when plot ratio is 4, floors required is 19 floors, and car park base required is 627. Also, when I was at podium, average unit size, I put 80, 80 square meters, but could be 90. Okay, it's up to me. So when it's 90, that means the number of floors become smaller. Can you understand why? Because bigger units so your plot ratio becomes different. So if I put plot ratio of 4.2, then look at number of floors again. Still 50. 4.2 is still 50. Alright, so let's say I put 4.7. 17 becomes 17 floors. Alright. Okay, 17 floors needed. So then let's say I just keep that. I got the podium already, my car park's already measured already. In fact, it's not very efficient because of this one, this road. Not very. Oh, what I can do? I think we do tender parking lah. Boleh kan? We do tender parking. So this one can do tender parking. This is tender parking. This is tender parking. But we still need to have a driveway to go from the road to get to the ramps. So this one is an extra. So this one put the staircase there. Staircase here, and then we remove this corner. Alright, so the lift core. We need only 4 lifts. We buy only 4 lifts because this is all calculated because it's only not many floors. Only about 17 floors just now. Alright, so because it's 70 floors, we don't need that many lifts. So we can use the top line and bottom line is okay. Sorry. Okay, left. Make it smaller. And this also make it smaller, so we save our car park. We can save our car park. Alright, that should be okay. Then we get our option summary. So here you know we have plot ratio is 4.7. Okay, this is the allowable GFA is 28,000. Produced GFA slightly more lah. Target NFA. All these it's to know whether you want to go ahead or not. It's not your final design yet. Okay, the car parks is okay. We got 90% just on the podium. That means the other 10% must be at the ground floor lah. The ground street parking on the ground floor. So that is just an estimate because my estimate I put inside I put 90%. But in this case we got more. Our provision we already got 100%. So actually on the ground floor we need to have any parking. Alright. So that gives us a wireframe. And from the wireframe kita buat we generate the 3D. But But again, I tell you, the 3D is the, maybe for a lot of people it's like impressive, but actually it's the easiest one. The most difficult part is actually the what came before. How you to try to convert a sort of design that actually normally take quite some time, you know. But to try to make it simplify it, to make it like a child's game. Basically, that was the way I thought about it. You must make it the child's game. How to make it simplified. And then and this one is the okay. So as I said, I'm hoping to have more of these workshops.